Welcome to Elderly Care and Advice Channel. Are you still in chains? Have you ever felt like a prisoner in your own life? Do you feel like your late husband's family controls your every move? Many widows suffer in silence, afraid to take a stand. But why should you live in fear? Why should you let others decide your future? It's time to break free and live your life the way you want. This guide will show you how to deliver yourself from your late husband's family and take back control of your happiness. Before we begin, I would appreciate it if you like this video. You can help me continue to spread the age-old lesson. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any videos. If you like this video, please comment yes. If you don't like it, comment no to let me know so I can make a better video for you. Now, let's get started. The harsh reality many widows face. Losing a husband is painful. But for many women, the pain doesn't stop there. Instead of support, they face control, manipulation, and even cruelty. Some in-laws see them as weak and powerless. Others believe they have the right to take over their lives. Here are some common struggles widows face. 1. Financial control. The family takes over the husband's money, property, and assets. They may leave the widow with nothing. 2. Emotional manipulation. They make her feel guilty for wanting to move on. They use culture, religion, and family pressure to keep her under their control. 3. Forced decisions. They push her to remarry, stay single, or follow traditions that don't benefit her. 4. Disrespect. She is treated like an outsider in her own home. Some are forced to leave, while others are humiliated daily. 5. Loneliness and isolation. Some widows are cut off from their support system. Family members keep them away from friends and relatives who might help them. 6. Verbal and physical abuse. In extreme cases, widows face threats, insults, or even violence. This is the reality for many widows, but it doesn't have to be your reality. You have the power to change your story. Short story: Mama Grace's battle for freedom. Mama Grace, a 65-year-old widow, thought she would have peace after her husband's passing. Instead, her husband's brothers took her land, money, and even her home. They told her she had no rights and must live with her sister-in-law. Life there was terrible. She had no freedom, no respect, and no happiness. But one day she said, "Enough is enough." She gathered her strength, sought legal help, and fought for what was hers. Today, she lives peacefully in her home, free from the control of her in-laws. Her story is proof that widows can fight back and win. Signs that you are being controlled. How do you know if you are under the control of your late husband's family? Here are clear signs. You need permission for every decision. They take your husband's money and leave you with little. They use guilt or culture to stop you from living your life. You are afraid to speak up because they might get angry. They tell you what to do, where to live, and who to associate with. They force you to follow customs that don't benefit you. You feel like you have no say in your own life. They discourage you from seeking outside help. You are constantly under emotional stress due to their control. If any of these sound familiar, it's time to take action. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment yes below to let me know you're here. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. How to deliver yourself from your late husband's family. You are not powerless. Here are steps you can take to free yourself. 1. Know your rights. Many widows suffer because they don't know their rights. Learning about widow rights, property laws, and legal protections in your country is the first step toward freedom. Many cultures and legal systems recognize the rights of widows, but families may try to hide this information from you. If you are unsure about your rights, consult a lawyer or a local women's organization. Having the right knowledge will empower you to defend yourself. Keep records of any property, bank accounts, or assets that belong to your husband. If your in-laws try to take over, you will have proof of what is legally yours. Do not let ignorance be the reason you lose what belongs to you. Educate yourself, ask questions, and be firm about your rights. Knowledge is a powerful tool against manipulation and oppression. 2. Be financially independent. Money gives you freedom, and financial independence is one of the strongest ways to break free from controlling in-laws. If you rely on your husband's family for money, they will use it to control your decisions. Start by learning basic money management. If you don't already have one, open a personal bank account and ensure that only you have access to it. Consider starting a small business, learning a trade, or investing in something that will bring you income. Many widows have found success in selling goods, farming, or offering services in their communities. Financial independence not only gives you security but also builds your confidence. When you can support yourself, no one can dictate how you should live. Even if you start small, the key is to take control of your finances step by step. The sooner you start, the sooner you will be free. 3. Set boundaries. Setting boundaries means making it clear what you will and will not accept. If your in-laws are trying to control your life, you must stand firm and let them know you will not tolerate it. Boundaries can be about finances, personal space, decisions about remarriage, or how they treat you. Communicate clearly and confidently. If they try to pressure you, stay strong and do not give in to guilt or emotional manipulation. Some families may resist your boundaries at first, but with time, they will learn to respect them. If they refuse to listen, reduce contact with those who disrespect you. Protect your peace, because you deserve to live without fear or control. Stand firm and don't allow anyone to cross the line you set. Your life belongs to you, not to them. 4. Find support. You don't have to fight alone. Many widows suffer in silence, thinking they have no one to turn to. But there are other widows, support groups, and organizations that can help you. Find people who understand your struggle and are willing to stand by you. Join widow support groups in your community or online. Talk to trusted friends, neighbors, or religious leaders who can provide guidance. Having a strong support system can make it easier to stand up to controlling in-laws. You may also find professional counselors or social workers who can advise you. Never underestimate the power of a strong support network. When you have people who believe in you and encourage you, you will gain the confidence to take control of your life. Don't be afraid to reach out for help. You are not alone. 5. Take legal action if needed. If your in-laws are trying to take your home, money, or assets, do not be afraid to take legal action. Many widows win cases against unfair treatment, but the key is to act early. If they have already taken what is yours, you still have a chance to fight back. Speak to a lawyer or a local authority to find out what legal steps you can take. Gather any evidence you have, documents, witness statements, or bank records, to prove your claim. Some families think widows will be too afraid to go to court, but once they see you are serious, they may back down. Do not let fear stop you from getting what is rightfully yours. Justice is on your side, but you must be willing to fight for it. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment yes below to let me know you're here. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. 6. Build your confidence. Many widows stay silent because they have lost their confidence. It is time to rebuild your self-worth. Believe in yourself. Remind yourself that you are capable, strong, and worthy of respect. Surround yourself with positive influences. Speak affirmations daily, read empowering books, and seek knowledge that boosts your confidence. Confidence will help you say no, stand firm, and make decisions without fear. When you believe in yourself, others will believe in you too. 7. Create a new life for yourself. Your husband's death does not mean your life is over. It's time to start anew. Pursue new hobbies, make new friends, and explore things you enjoy. Travel, learn a skill, or start a new career. Life is too short to live under the control of others. You deserve happiness, peace, and freedom. Take charge of your future and live the life you deserve. Here is a short story of Auntie Rose. She stands for justice. Auntie Rose was devastated when her husband passed away. But her pain doubled when her in-laws told her she must leave her home. Instead of fighting them directly, she went to a lawyer. She gathered all the necessary documents and took the matter to court. The family thought she would give up, but she stood her ground. In the end, she won, and the court ruled that she had every right to stay in her home. Today, she not only lives peacefully, but she also helps other widows fight for their rights. Her story is a reminder that legal action can protect you. You are stronger than you think. Life does not end because your husband is gone. You are still valuable, strong, and capable. Do not let anyone take away your peace. You deserve respect, happiness, and freedom. Stand tall and take back your life. Take control of your life today. Now is the time to act. Start small. Take one step towards your freedom today. Share this message with other widows who need to hear this. If you have a story, leave a comment below. Your voice can inspire others to break free. You are not alone, and you are not weak. You have the power to live the life you deserve. Take it. Please drop a comment below this video with one thing you've taken away from this and how you plan to put it into practice in your life. Your story might just inspire someone else. If you like this video, please leave your comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips to help you stay strong and savvy. Take care of yourself. You're more resilient than you know. Thanks for watching.